Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. In this vlog, we're gonna explore the Eco Garden Park, Lucknow. I'm Veer, the guy in the black outfit in the middle. In white t-shirt is Bishandu and in the beast t-shirt is Ajay. Be with us, enjoy this beautiful vlog.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrow.
If you're looking for a family outing, you can consider visiting this park and your kids gonna love it. As you can see, there are lots of statues of animals like giraffe, elephants, tigers, lions and so on.
The tears on your pillow, on your pillow. I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. Oh, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we. It looks like we. Yeah, it looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, stay strong. Oh, it looks like we made it.
Live in the moment, be happy, cause no one know what's gonna happen tomorrow. So enjoy this present beautiful moment. Past is gone, future haven't arrived yet. So please be happy, live this moment.
It will be a last time for everything and everyone. We might be living in our last days. There might be 27 years to come. Running across the border, following the water, make the most of every notion. Soaring like a kite, high.
Nourish your inner child, don't let it die. Create your own happiness.
Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful.
Find peace with life. Find your purpose to live this beautiful life. May the love and happiness find you all.
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.